Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Emily Freybler. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how I do my winged eyeliner, just kind of some little tips and tricks that might make it easier for you guys. I've gotten some questions when I've worn a winged eyeliner in the past, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, give this a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel down below. I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 9 a.m. Eastern time. So let's get started. Okay, so first things first, I usually use a liquid liner. There are a bunch of different types of liner. There is like a gel in a pot like this. This is from Maybelline. This is their Gel Studio eyeliner. And I do really like this. I have used this for wings in the past, but right now I really like liquid eyeliner. I think it is the easiest to apply. You get the cleanest line and it's usually the blackest as well. So the one I really like to use is the Essence Super Last eyeliner in the shade Deep Black. I really like this eyeliner for the applicator. It's not a brush tip, it's a felt tip. I feel like it's a lot more precise. You're not gonna get like a random hair that's gonna like do a little tiny flick and it's gonna get all over the place. It's just one big clump of felt here, but it also is very small. I don't know if you can tell how small that is, but it's really tiny. I'll do a little swatch on the back of my hand so you can see. It's like really black, really small, and it works really well. There's a lot of control with it, but you can also get a nice flick at the end. So that's the one I really like. It's also very, very black, which I feel like really makes the eyes pop. So now let's get on to kind of the application and how I go along with actually doing it, kind of my step-by-step. First thing I like to do is find the tail of the brow, and when I'm making the outside of my wing, I like to go from the outer corner of the eye to the tail of the brow. Obviously, I'm not going to make that big of a line, you know, but that's where I'm directing the line to go. So just stop it about, I usually stop it about halfway there, but it depends how big of a wing you want. You can make a little baby wing. I just always use that line so that both of them are even and it looks nice on the face, not like one wing is drooping down and one wing is like way up here. So always try and make an imaginary line to the tail of the brow. So like I said, I usually stop about halfway to the eyebrow. I feel like this is a good wing for me. I like to do this big of a wing when I'm wearing falsies. So today I'm wearing the Ardell Wispies. They came in a 5-pack like this. They're just the wispy version like this, so pretty. And I like to wear false lashes most of the time when I'm wearing a winged eyeliner because I like to wear big wings. I don't usually do a small wing. So anyway, next thing I will do is make a line connecting the tail to the center of the eye, if that makes sense. So usually I'll just kind of create the other side of the wing so that I can fill in that area as well. And then I will go along and line the upper part of the eye. So I usually take that brush and put it on its side and just kind of lightly press down and sweep it along. This is really, really easy because I feel like the thickness of the felt makes it so that I can make the perfect line every time on the upper part of my eye. Also, please be confident when you're going in with your wing. I've had so much practice with this and I still mess up. Trust me, I do it all the time. I messed up today when I was first filming this because I was a little nervous for the camera and everything. I find that when I'm more nervous to make the wing and make a mistake, I usually make a mistake. So if I'm confident and I'm like, yep, I'm gonna make this flick, and then I'm gonna go in and make the other side and swoop it in, it usually turns out really well. So please be confident with it. Act like there's no pressure in the world. You're just playing around with makeup and it should turn out, it should turn out really well. So it's pretty straightforward how I make my wing. I just basically make 2 lines and fill it in. That's all I do. And I really like how the results turn out. If you wanted, you could also put tape right here so that it doesn't, so that if you do make a mistake, it goes onto the tape instead of onto your skin. It's all preference, but I usually just freehand it because I have more experience now. Another thing I wanted to say is, like, again, don't be worried if you mess up. It's not that big of a deal. Practice when you are getting ready to wash off your makeup. So like sometimes if I'm like about to wash off my makeup, I'll come in my makeup room and try different things out on my face. So I'll try different blending techniques. I'll try doing my wing differently. Just anything like that. If you're really trying to get a perfect wing, don't save it for a big occasion. Make sure you're practicing and it will turn out really nicely because you have practice. So I know this is a really short video, but I have gotten multiple questions about my wings, so I thought I would make a full video about it, give you a little bit of tips and tricks to how to get the perfect wing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel down below. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 9 a.m. Eastern time. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in a video very, very soon. Bye, guys.